Massaging the feet for plantar fasciitis can alleviate pain, break up scar tissue, increase flexibility, and promote healing by improving blood flow to the affected area. By loosening tight muscles and relaxing tension, massage therapy can improve range of motion and overall foot function. Incorporating massage into a treatment plan alongside other interventions can help manage symptoms and expedite recovery from plantar fasciitis. In this video, we are going to take you through the steps how to properly self-massage the feet for plantar fasciitis. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it. Before we start, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of our videos. First, make sure your feet and hands are clean. Next is to prepare the muscles. We'll start by warming up your foot with circular motions. 10 repetitions is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And in reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do the same with the other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next, we'll need the tendons and ligaments to be more flexible by stretching the feet. Reach out for your toes and then pull them back up so the ankle and the bottom of your feet is stretched like so. Then count 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Next is to push your toes down, stretching your instep, which is the top side of your foot, and count for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then do the same stretches with the other feet as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now to proceed on the massage, we start by pressing and doing circular motions on areas at the bottom of the feet using both of your thumbs. Begin here at the very bottom of the feet. Apply enough pressure but avoid being in pain. If it is painful, reduce the pressure. Now at the sides of the heel, at the top, then at the center. Next, at the center of the arc of the foot, and at the sides too. Next will be at the center of the sole, lastly at the sides. This initial massage should get the blood going at the bottom of the feet, sort of like a warm-up to prepare for the next massage technique. Again, with both thumbs, begin to place them at the bottom of the sole right here at the center. Then brush down towards each side, and again place it back, then down at the sides. Up here, then down at the sides. Let's repeat this 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in a more dynamic fashion, start pressing downwards from above the center of the heel to the bottom, at both sides and in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Repeat the same brush down from the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the dynamic press on the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next massage is slightly similar to the previous technique. Again, place both thumbs here at the center, then brush down at the sides. Here's where it's different. You'll need to brush back up at the center. Again, brush down and brush up, brush down and brush up. Then do circular motions at the center of the sole and gradually separating towards each side. Did you get that? Let's do it again. Brush down, brush up, circular motions on the sole towards the sides. One more time. Brush down, brush up, circular motions from the center to the sides. Finally, to conclude the plantar fasciitis foot massage, we will gently apply pressure to the toes, known for their heightened sensitivity. This action aims to stimulate nerve activity and sustain healthy blood circulation. Put your foot down and repeat the same process on the other foot. You can replay this video from the beginning of the massage process to help guide you through the steps. This concludes our plantar fasciitis foot massage guide.